Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Kim Krompass from the Price Action Traders Institute, and it is Monday, January 29th. We are heading into the very last week of January 2018, and as you can see by looking at the clock on my desktop, it is just around 8:30, so the London close is now underway. I wanted to talk about a pound trade that I'm currently in this morning and show you kind of my thinking as we go through the trade. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what you're looking at is a live trade of the pound dollar that I'm currently in this morning after taking several small losses, not on the pound, well, one on the pound, but on the pound yen, the euro, the CAD yen, the AJ, some RBOs, a few things. All that to say that I'm currently down about 56 pips. So a little bit in the negative, but this trade I took on a re-entry, what we call a re-entry trade. And this is what I saw this morning. So first I want to do my trade plan analysis, which showed me that this pair was in this beautiful clear directional move to the downside this morning. And I was looking for further downside movement. So I'm in right here short from, let's see, it would be short from 80. All right, and it's come through two levels. It's come through the 50 and it's headed down towards 40.20 right now. It's at 40.32. It got as low as 40.27 down here. So this right here, I am locked with 25 pips in this trade. So worst case scenario, if anything were to happen, like the markets made a sudden spike back, I would probably get taken out at my protective stop of plus 25. I'm actually targeting way down here at the 0.0. All right, so I'll see if price actually makes a move, and I'll make a determination. Once price comes into the 20, I'm going to look for price to accelerate and move down into or closer to that 0.0, and I will probably lock some more into this trade. So I'll be back with any updates. All right, it's 8:45 in the morning, so another candle has closed, and you can see, or should be able to see, the price has made a little bit of a lower low, and it got as low as 24. It has not hit the 20 yet, but I did move my stop, my protective stop down to now lock in plus 30. So 3-to-1 on this trade, risking 10 pips, and I've locked in 30 in case price snaps back and hits me before it makes its move down. I've also moved the outside limit down here just below the 0.0 at 80, just in case there's a sudden spike down there. And again, I'm still looking for price to come through the 20, so it's got to break these lows here at 24 and then start to accelerate down into 0.0. All right, so I'll be back with any updates. Okay, so what you're looking at here is the finality of this trade, and it did hit my protective stop for plus 30. So I had losses coming into this morning from a couple of close back in the ranges and full stops totaling minus 59. And after this trade of plus 30, I pretty much cut this loss in half. So I ended the day with minus 29, which is okay. It's just part of trading. Some days are going to be winning days, big winning days, and some days are going to be losing days. Today is a small losing day, which I look forward to the opportunity to recover trade. So that's it. Again, this was a beautiful clear directional move to the downside coming into the New York session. I took one yellow line trade on this, was stopped out, did a re-entry trade and took it down and was looking for price to actually come down into 20. It never did. It came down into 24. So I moved my stop to protect myself and at least book these 30 pips here. All right. So we never know what the market's going to do. All we can do is manage our risk every time we enter a trade, know our rules, and stick to our plan. All right. I hope that helps you in your trading this week. It's Kim Krompass from the Price Action Traders Institute. Hope you have a good one.